high TOEFL IBT score in order to get into the university of your dreams? Are you embarrassed by your speaking score on the TOEFL exam? Don't worry, I can help you. First, I will send you a placement test to test your skills in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And from there, I will look at your strengths and weaknesses, and we can design a personalized program to help you with where you are, and we will help you get to where you want to be as fast as possible. In regards to the TOEFL IBT speaking exam, I'll help you organize your response in a kind of template. You can write down, for example, the topic sentence, the first key point of the reading and supporting details from the lecture, the second key point of the reading and the supporting details of the lecture. And this template will help you give a more organized and a clearer response. And that is sure to help you get a higher score on the exam. One of my students, whose name is Gift, is from Thailand, and she's an international scholar. And she was so frustrated by the TOEFL because it's a very difficult exam, and she failed a number of times and couldn't get the score she needed in order to get into her top choice university. So she worked with me over an intensive period of 10 days, and she took class regularly every day, and she increased her score by 10 points. And then she was able to get into her top choice school. I'm originally from the United States, and now I live in Spain with my family. I've taught over 1,800 English classes online, and also I have a bachelor's degree in anthropology and Spanish with a Portuguese minor. I have a master's degree in education, and I also have a PhD in education. So I have experience teaching, and I also love what I do. In my free time, I enjoy traveling, reading good novels. I enjoy spending time with my family, and also I like to write poetry. Not to mention study other languages. Let's get started today. You can begin by signing up for a trial class. I'll send you a placement exam, and we can design a personalized program for you. I want to help you achieve your highest ambitions.